I am Bhushan Singh from the Media and Public Relations Committee of I Am Rapper. We are honored to have with us today Shri Bhimsha LT Sir, National Head Tractors FTI FM Business at Mahindra & Mahindra Limited. We are very happy to welcome you to I Am Rapper's 9th Leadership HR Summit, sir.
Thank you for the invitation. I'm really loved to come here. I wanted to come here. Finally, I'm so happy by seeing the campus, by meeting you guys,
Yes,
and by attending the HR Summit.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. So shall I go ahead with the first question?
Yeah, sure.
So, sir, you manage a large multi-state team. What is the single most critical quality you look for when building a sales and leadership team today? And how do you foster a culture of excellence, diversity, and inclusion within that team?
See, the single most competency quality you can say, which I'm looking in a current leaders, collaboration.
Yes.
Okay. Why I'm saying that? So collaboration is not only just integration. Okay. Collaboration is meeting the people who has the strengths. Okay. He must be having 4 to 5 strengths. I must be having 4 to 5 strengths. How we can collaborate those strengths and achieve our organization objectives, whatever the set for financial year, like long-term plan, 3-year or 5-year plans.
Yes.
So that is most important quality I'm currently looking or currently finding. The person who has high level of collaboration skill, he is going to be successful. And second part of the question, which you asked about, can you...
Yeah, so how do you foster a culture of excellence, diversity, and inclusion within the team?
See, for excellence, okay, for excellence, it need not to be a role model, okay. As an organization, definitely we look for a role model, okay. Everybody is not perfect, okay.
Yes.
Everybody is learning every day, okay. They are moving towards that. But to create excellence, okay, so day-to-day life, weekly life, monthly, quarterly, and yearly. How we are set. First is planning. Okay. Start with planning. Okay. The person who has a very good skills of planning, okay, and collaborating with everybody, definitely he is going to succeed. Okay. Second most important is empathy. Okay. A person have empathetical skills. We used to speak, transformation leader, authentic leader, servant leadership. But those are all, ठीक है, सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. But when you practice, if you don't have empathy, okay, then you will not be successful, I feel. Okay. So person should have empathetic execution skills. Okay. How you feel, how you put himself in other shoes. Okay. And how you develop those skills. Coming to diversity and inclusion, I am working for as a national head. So almost 27 country employees are working with me. Okay. So they have different skills, different behavior, different. The common goal is like one team, one goal. I put on a table, on a wall, and the WhatsApp group, everywhere. One team, one goal. If you show the broader and bigger role, umbrella, then everybody will collaborate.
Yeah.
So if you put a smaller goal, and there will be, they will try to be in groups, lobbies and all. But if you align with them for a bigger goal, definitely you can collaborate a diversity and inclusion people.
Yes.
So that is what actually I do.
Yeah. So, sir, going forward, sir, your career spans over 2 decades in the automotive sector. What is the biggest strategic shift you anticipate in the next 5 years regarding customer loyalty and satisfaction in the farm machinery or the broader automotive industry?
See, the biggest shift which actually I am finding is a digital transformation. Okay. See, earlier, if anybody want to buy a car, want to buy a tractor, want to buy a farm machinery, okay, there will be IC engines, those things of normal vehicle, okay. Today, if the products are not equipped with digital transformation facilities or features, like customer connect features, okay, digital analytic features, okay, and if you don't have any advanced kind of a gearbox, okay, so advanced kind of a ADAS kind of a system in the product, okay, we are not going to succeed. Second most important is it is like a customization, okay, persona. We must have studied persona in marketing management, okay. So it is every customer is important for us, okay. So how I can take a help from the AI and build a persona for a customer, okay. So you may ask, a huge number of customer base is there, how you can build a persona? I'm saying build a persona, then build a group of customers, then create a segmentation within segment.
Yeah.
Okay. and creating a segmentation within segment, that itself is a smart.
Yes.
That will create the differentiation. And how you can ensure the customer experience. Customer experience is a very, very important trend today, you know,
Yeah, definitely.
because you can sell the vehicle, tractor or machinery, but if you don't serve him on time,
Yes.
like today we started 24/7, and we have many years of warranty, 6 year of warranty. You can Google and you can search in YouTube also.
Yes,
Okay, so that kind of, you know, customer experience is going to create the differentiation in the next 5 years.
Okay. So there's a wonderful take on this, sir. So, sir, with the increasing emphasis on employer brand and candidate experience, how do you see recruitment strategies evolving to attract top talent in the competitive markets as of now?
See, top talent, example, today, if you see any IIMs or any top B schools, okay, so most of the students are using ChatGPT, okay. I mean, everybody knows if 100 students are there, they type a question, they will get same answer. The difference is the storytelling ability,
Yes.
okay. The candidate who tell a story, like I'm a big follower of Bollywood, okay. If you watch any movie, there are different characters. There is a climax, okay, and there is the end message. So I suggest each and every candidate first make a story for yourself, how you reached IIMs, okay, and where you worked, how you succeeded. Builds, create your own stories, okay. Then first you sell yourself, okay. First, the most important is the storytelling ability. Second is the communication. Storytelling is part of communication. Third is the listening ability. Today, if you see the generation, everybody watch reels.
Yes.
Everybody go on digital platform, YouTube and all. Okay, but the guy who listen carefully, okay, who has the most listening ability. Listening is not only just watching. Okay, understand what actually is telling. Fourth is the asking a right question. Okay, so these are the some of the competencies which I'm looking.
Yes, sir. So, sir, with AI automation and hybrid workplaces redefining roles, what skills do you believe will matter most in the MBA graduates who want to move into leadership positions in the next 5 to 10 years?
For anybody want to reach to the top leaders, okay, like earlier also I said empathetic. Okay?
Yes, sir.
First, the candidate should be empathy. He should practice the empathy. Second is a transformation leader. Okay, transformation in my language it's very much clear. Okay, the person who has a theoretical knowledge, okay, who has some work ex, okay, and who can take the some story from the case studies. Okay, in B schools, what actually happened? Ki not every day, every classes, you will have some case study. Okay, you must have taken some case studies. What it is a discussion story. For a discussion, you need one story, right? So that is case study. So based on those things, how you make the strategy? Strategy may be the corporate strategy, divisional level strategy, product level strategy, and a state level strategy, and a customer level strategy. So the person who is smart in making the strategy, okay, with the digital transformation experience and the exposure,
Yes.
so he is going to be successful.
Yes. So, sir, based on your experiences, what advice would you offer to IIM Raipur students who are about to enter the corporate world and are aspiring to become business owners? So, what advice would you give, sir?
My advice is really very much clear. I have handled more than 1,500 businessmen. Their turnover is from 10 crore to 500 crore. That kind of a businessman I handle every day. I mean, day-to-day operations, okay. I interact with them, I discuss with them. I give a lot of guidance to them, okay. I simply give a guidance to the students who are aspiring for entrepreneurship, okay. Start with simplicity, okay. That is the most important as a businessman he should have.
Yes.
Entrepreneur quality and all very big, okay. In that, start with simplicity. Collaborate with like-minded people.
Yeah.
Don't collaborate with a wrong person. Partnership is like a marriage, okay. You cannot marry in incident, right?
Yeah.
Today generation, like earlier, 20 साल पहला baby boomer time, it used to happen. कि force arranged marriage. So today arranged marriage is also important, but you cannot marry anybody like that. So it is like that. It is so important when you enter into any business. Choose your partner wisely.
Yes.
Be simple, be humble. maximum try to work yourself. When you are entering into a startup, okay, try to decrease the burn rate. In startup, it called burn rate.
Yeah.
Okay, so how you can minimize the expenses and maximize the profit,
Yeah.
not with compromise of health. Okay, mental well-being you need to take care. Okay, so my simple suggestions are: be simple. Okay, collaborate with like-minded people. Okay, enter into a business. I mean, I can't say कि e-commerce has reached one level. There are many opportunities. For example, a rural. Today, there are huge business opportunities. Today, government is investing huge. You see Niti Aayog or Viksit Bharat initiative.
Yeah.
Okay, the huge investments are coming in rural also. Rural is also one of the biggest opportunity. It is untapped potential, I can say.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can. My submission to the who are aspiring for entrepreneur, there are huge opportunities. They can reach to me. I can have many opportunity in different part of country.
Yes.
Okay, so they can. Implement these kind of ideas. Yeah.
So, sir, thank you for joining us here at I'm Rapper today. Your insights and experiences have been really invaluable. We are honored to have had the opportunity to learn from you, and we look forward to seeing you in the future.
Thank
so
you.
much, sir.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you so
Very nice meeting. Very nice meeting. Yeah. Thank you.